Annalyn of What's Up That Page.
Sir Aaron Alessandra po.
Alessandra Pandes.
So, hi, good evening po to all the cast. So, my question is for the Team Loyal. So, simple question lang. What is loyalty for you? Loyalty for me is being contented. Because if you're contented, you won't look for any more person, right? So, loyalty equals your contentment. Thank you, Zay.
Alam mo sinong pinaka-loyal? Yung aso ko, si Summer. Yan ang pinaka-loyal. Doon ko makikita yung definition ng loyalty. Na kahit ano man ang pinagdadaanan ko ngayon, kung ano mang sitwasyon ng emosyon ko ngayon, sino ako ngayon, tatanggapin ako ng buong buo nun. Yun ang loyalty. Walang judgment kung sino ka.